Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at the T-Ninja 1000 OBD2 key programmer from TOPDON. So I have the TOPDON out of its little plastic case. The first thing I can realize is that it is super lightweight. Another thing is there's no power button, and I would assume that's because there's no internal battery. I would say that if you want to power this thing up without having the unit actually hooked up, you're going to go ahead and have to plug it into that wall charger. So looking here, the cord itself, right, the OBD2 cable itself is what has the plug-in. So I'm going to go ahead and get this guy all set up. So I've just got it threading in. And now I'm going to grab my wall charger and plug it in directly to the OBD2 cable. And now I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to the wall outlet so I can boot this baby up. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to the OBD2 connector, and it immediately boots up. It says, "Thank you for choosing TOPDON. Please activate the device with the following steps. Visit www.topdon.com. Download and install the TOPDON PC Suite software package into your Windows computer. Connect the device to your computer via the USB cable. Run the TOPDON PC Suite program. Sign up or sign in. Register your serial number. Disconnect the USB cable and power on the device and enjoy." So I'm going to go ahead and start screen recording to get all that stuff set up. And I'm assuming that the serial number is going to be right here on the back, right here where it says SN serial number, and then this is going to be my serial number for me to register. So now I'm going to go ahead and record the screen on my laptop. TOPDON.com, key programming tool, and then downloads is where I think we're going to have to click to. So this is our setup wizard. I'm not really going to read this, I'm just going to agree. I'll just click register now, and it says the device is successfully registered. All right, so now let's go ahead and click upgrade, go through and update these two. Alrighty, looks like it's all done. And what's pretty cool is that it even shows at the very top what you can still update. So since we don't have any TIC Fords or European Fords, I'm all done here. So the information tab doesn't really have anything. And then the My Device tab. Let's see, main features: password reading, key learning, all keys lost, key deleting, remote relearn, and number of keys. And just so you can see, this is what it looks like when it's hooked up to the laptop. It just says USB disk mode. So now it is fully updated. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and turn it back on. So I turned it off and turned it back on, and now it is going through its update process. So you can see that it says update main chip 1%, and I just have it plugged in no longer to the laptop. I have it plugged in to my wall charger, and I'm going to go ahead and let it update. And after it updates, if there's any other steps, I'll let you guys know, but hopefully I can just go start using this on some vehicles.